Now if you talk about the second molecule, that is H2O, the central atom is oxygen, its atomic number is 8, electronic configuration 2,6. From the formula, number of hybrid orbitals equal to 1/2. Number of valence electron on central atom, that is equal to 6. Number of valence electron monovalent atom attached to central atom, that is equal to 2. No negative charge and no positive charge, so 1/2 multiply 8 equal to 4. Okay, so its hybridization is sp3. Okay, if you talk about its molecular structure, its electronic geometry is tetrahedral, but if you talk about its molecular structure, oxygen is only sharing 2 electrons with hydrogen, so it having 2 lone pair. H2O having number of bond pairs equal to 2 and number of lone pairs, it is also equal to 2. So sp3 hybridization having 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs, it having band structure. It having band structure. Okay. sp3 hybridization having 109.5 degree bond angle, but from the Vesper theory, due to lone pair and lone pair bond pair repulsion, this repulsion force cause decrease in the HOH bond length to 109.5 degree to 104.5 degree. Okay. So H2O hybridization sp3, number of bond pair 2, lone pair 2, having band structure due to its lone pair and lone pair bond pair repulsion, reduce its angle from 109.5 degree to 104.5 degree. Okay. Now from the next molecule, SO4 2 minus, if you talk about SO4 2 minus, its central atom is sulfur. Sulfur's atomic number 16, its electronic configuration 286. Okay. Oxygen atomic number 8, its electronic configuration 2,6. So number of valence electron on central atom, that is equal to 6. Number of monovalent atom, no, oxygen is divalent, not monovalent. Oxygen needs 2 electrons to complete its outermost octet. So number of monovalent atom here, it is 0. Total negative charge, it is 2. No positive charge, so 0. So 1.2 multiply 8, 4. So its hybridization is sp3. If you talk about its molecular structure, its molecular structure is tetrahedral. Its molecular structure is tetrahedral. Here sulfur is not obeying the octet rule. Sulfur having 12 electron. Okay. Sulfur here is the central atom, and it is not following the octet rule. Now it having 12 electron on its outermost orbit. If you talk about its electron dot structure or Lewis dot structure, SO4 2 minus, the species having 6 plus 4 multiply 6 plus 2, total number of electrons. So 6 plus 24 plus 2, it is 30 plus 2, 32. Sulfur having 32 electron. Okay, first we need to complete the octet of outermost what atoms. So 32 electrons we have to arrange like this, so that outermost atoms orbit octet complete first. Okay, 32 इलेक्ट्रॉन को हम ऐसे अरेंज करेंगे कि outermost एटम का ऑक्टेट पहले कंप्लीट होगा. ओके, सो 2 bond pair, 2 lone pair. Okay, 2 bond pair, 2 lone pair. Now 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 8 electrons and 8 16 electrons have been consumed. Now we have to consume more 16 electron. Okay, so one bond with, see, sulfur having 6 electron at its outer orbit, so its maximum covalency is 6, means sulfur can make 6 bond. So one bond with oxygen and one bond with other oxygen. Now it having 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 lone pair, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 lone pair. Okay, now come the atoms. Number of electrons 4 10 6 16. Okay, so 32 atoms have been consumed, 32 electrons have been used. Okay, if you talk about the formal charge, what is the formula of formal charge? It is number of valence electrons minus number of non-bonding electrons minus 1/2 number of bond pair electrons. Okay, so if you talk about the formal charge of sulfur, sulfur formal charge is number of valence electron, it is 6, number of non-bonding electron, it is 0, number of bonding electron, it is 1/2 multiplied 12, 6, 6 minus 6. So sulfur having formal charge equal to 0. Now talk about the formal charge of that oxygen atom. It is oxygen atom valence electron 6, number of non-bonding electron, it is 4, number of bonding pair electrons, it is 4. So 6 minus 4 minus 1/2 4, 6 minus 6 equal to 0. This oxygen atom also having same configuration, so it also having formal charge 0. Now talk about this oxygen formal charge. 6 valence electron, non-bonding electron 6 minus 1/2 multiply 1 6 minus 7 minus 1. So extra electron come to that oxygen atom. For this oxygen atom, 6 minus 1/2 into 2, 6 minus 7. So formal charge is minus 1. So this is the Lewis dot structure of SO4 2 minus. It having tetrahedral structure and sulfur here pilots the octet group.